Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Inkjecta Flite X1. The Inkjecta Flite X1 is a wireless, battery-powered rotary that is chock full of innovative technology and offers an abundance of adjustment options. So let's take a closer look. As the Flite X1 is completely wireless, you don't need cables or power supplies to run it, which allows for maximum freedom of movements. The Inkjecta Flite X1 is battery powered and offers up to 8 hours of runtime, depending on your choice of battery and machine parameters. It also comes with 2 interchangeable and rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, as well as a battery charger, so you can adjust the balance of the tattoo machine to suit your style. Thanks to the intuitive onboard controls, you can quickly and easily adjust both the voltage and needle depth of your machine. To adjust the voltage from 4.5 to 16.5 volts, press the corresponding button here and tilt your machine like so. Tilt it right for the higher voltage and left for lower. There are 2 arrow keys on the body of the Flite X1 that control the needle depth. Simply press one while working to adjust, even if you're using a fixed grip. This means that you don't have to have a click grip to adjust the needle depth whilst using this machine. As with many Inkjecta tattoo machines, the Flite X1 is super lightweight, topping the scales at only 139 grams with the small battery and 144 grams with the large one. At the heart of the Inkjecta Flite X1 is not 1, but 2 custom Nano technology motors, one for the drive and the other for the needle depth adjustments. As well as the machine, batteries and charger, the box includes a 3.25mm cam, both medium and hard torsion bars, and a carbon fibre rigid needle bar, which is already fitted to the rotary. It also comes with a hard protective carry case, magnetic key tools, inox lubricant, and super lube. If that wasn't enough, the Flite X1 is fully compatible with all Inkjecta Flite Nano cams and needle bars. Designed, developed and manufactured in Australia, the Inkjecta Flite 1 offers multiple stroke lengths, give options, battery options and grip options, as well as an excellent addition to the ever-growing lineup of wireless tattoo machines on the market. Inkjecta's Flite X1 rotary is offered in 4 colours: glass, stealth, smoke and trooper, and is available to order from Killer Ink Tattoo via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Inkjecta Flite X1, what do you think? Will you be picking up this wireless battery powered machine for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.